Then dip me underway. Fill my mouth with flow, flow, flow. Hold me till I scream for air, breathe. And wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby, baby,
Hey Rebels, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. Today I'm doing a quick install video for you guys using a wig from LuvMeHair company. Starting off with the unboxing to show you guys what came in the box when I received my hair. It came with a little breast cancer awareness pamphlet with some really helpful tips and information about breast cancer. Shout out to LuvMeHair for that. I also received this little bag filled with hair goodies, an edge scarf, some bobby pins, tweezers, an elastic band, a cute little hair clip, a two-sided edge brush, and a nude cap, along with another little brochure with their return and refund policy on it. This is the hair. I already have it customized because I wore it for a few days before filming this tutorial. And this is me now reinstalling it. Alright guys, so like I said, the wig is already pretty much done. I just washed it. It's already pre-plucked because I wore it already, and the lace is already customized. In the back of the wig there are two clips. You can either attach them to the back of the wig, or what I like to do is attach them together like this, so that the wig can be more secure once I put it on my head. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it on. So the middle part is already where I want it to be. I'm just gonna move that up. Y'all, I am in love with the lace. Guys, this is their invisible HD lace, and when I tell you it melts right in, it melts right into your skin. This Bold Hold Active Glue will have it stuck on you for days. So make sure that when you place that lace down, it is exactly where you want it to be. I've had this hair in for about a week before uninstalling it, washing it, and putting it back in. So I already know the hair is really good quality. I like the lace, I like the texture, everything. Not my first time working with LuvMeHair. I've worked with LuvMeHair a few times in the past, and I really did like the quality of the hair. That's why I was like so open to working with them again. I'm gonna go in with my Ebin Lace Bond Adhesive Spray. And if you've watched my last hair tutorial, I did use this spray. I really don't use the Gots to Be spray anymore because I feel like it takes way too long to dry. But this spray, as soon as I spray it down, like, my lace is intact. So one of the things that they do say on the bottle is that it's fast drying, and it really is. So I'm going to go ahead and tack down my lace with this instead of adding more glue to my hairline, only because I already used 2 layers, and I just think that if I add any more, it's gonna be way too much. I'm gonna go ahead with this edge scarf that they sent me, which is really cute because it actually matches their wig packaging, and it has their name on it. It says LuvMeHair, affordable luxury wigs. I'm gonna go ahead and tie this around my edges, and if I needed to melt in any more, then I do have some elastic bands, so I'll go ahead with that afterwards. Alright, y'all, so now it's time to get her nice and flat and bone straight. I'm flattening the top down with my hot comb, and y'all, I went and grabbed a plug-in one after my last video. And this wig is their 24-inch wig. Y'all, I'm pretty short, well, like average height. I'm 5'4", so it hangs really long on me. I'm gonna go ahead and flat iron the hair out now. I'm not gonna talk too much because this part is pretty self-explanatory, and I feel like I do this in a lot of my videos, but just showing you guys the process and showing you guys how straight it gets. The only complaint I will say about the hair is that it sheds a little bit. Well, that's one thing that I will complain about. I don't like hair shedding. I want to say it's a deal breaker because the texture of the hair is amazing and so is the lace. But I don't like that the hair sheds. But my last couple hair tutorials have been middle parts, so I'm gonna stop saying that because now I've been wearing middle parts a lot more lately, but I still prefer a side part. I just really like how a bone straight middle part looks. Like if I'm gonna do it straight, I like that bone straight middle part look. Once I got it nice and straight, I'm going to go ahead and take some of my Bio Silk hair oil. I'm going to run it all throughout my fingers and then rub it all through the hair, just to give it like a little shine and more of a silky look. And guys, that's the finished look. I purposely wore the hair ahead of time this time so I could come to you with an honest review, as honest as possible. So pros, the lace is impeccable. The texture gets so straight and silky, and it stays straight too. It doesn't frizz up after a while. Fast shipping, comes with lots of goodies, and it's affordable. The only cons that I had was the shedding of the hair, and
For 180% density, it could have been a little fuller. All in all, I would recommend, and I give them a B+ rating. Hopefully this video helps someone looking for straight hair and a good HD lace at an affordable price. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up. Oh, and make sure to subscribe for future uploads. Yes. Peace and love. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Smooches.